Hello everyone! Welcome back to Doc GILMAC online tutorial. Grade 10 Mathematics tutorial. Are you having a hard time in getting the quotients of polynomials p of x by linear factor q of x which is equal to x minus 8? In this particular topic, you're going to determine the easiest way in getting the quotients of polynomials p of x by linear factor x minus 8. This is simply called synthetic division. What is synthetic division? When we talk about synthetic division, it is a shorthand or shortcut method of polynomial division in the special case of dividing by a linear factor, and it only works in this case, that is p of x of d of x and d of x which is equal to x minus a, where a is constant and a belongs to the set of integers. How do we solve division of polynomials using synthetic division? Consider the 4 steps in applying synthetic division in solving division of polynomials. Step number 1. Set up the synthetic division. Step number 2. Bring down the leading coefficient to the bottom row. Step number 3. Multiply a by the value just written on the bottom row. Step number 4. Add the column created in step number 3. Consider the following illustration on how to solve division of polynomials using synthetic division. Consider the numerical coefficients of the given polynomial. Is 1, 1, negative 4, and negative 4. For instance, these are all numerical coefficients of the given polynomial divided by x minus 2. So you are going to divide it by 2. As you can see here, 1 is the leading coefficient of the given polynomial. Bring down 1, multiplied by 2 is 2, add 1 and 2, so that is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, add 6 and negative 4, that is 2, times 2 is 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Add negative 4 and 4, so that is simply equal to 0. So we have a remainder which is equal to 0. Consider illustrative example number 1 for you to be able to be well versed in using synthetic division. For instance, we have here the given polynomial x cubed plus 5x squared minus 9x minus 45 divided by x plus 5. The first thing you have to do is to get the numerical coefficients of the given polynomial. So we have 1, 5, negative 9, and negative 45 divided by x plus 5. So we have the divisor is negative 5. Okay. Let's continue solving it. So consider the numerical coefficients 1, 5, negative 9, and negative 45 divided by negative 5. Bring down 1 multiplied by negative 5, add 5 and negative 5, so we have 0. 0 times negative 5 is 0. Add negative 9 and 0, so we have negative 9. Times negative 5, that is simply 45. Add negative 45 and 45, so that is simply equal to 0. as you can see, the remainder is 0. Now the question is, how will you be able to determine the quotient of the given polynomial by the linear factor? The result here, as you can see, 1 is the numerical coefficient of x squared, since x cubed divided by x is x squared. The numerical coefficient for x is 0, and the constant term is negative 9. So from here, we have the quotient, which is x squared minus 9. So take note of that. Consider illustrative example number 2. X cubed minus 2x squared minus 29x minus 42 divided by x minus 7. Again, consider the numerical coefficients of the given polynomial. So we have 1, negative 2, negative 29, negative 42. Since the divisor is x minus 7, so we divide this by 7. So take note, 1, negative 2, negative 29, and negative 42 is the dividend, and 7 is what we call the divisor. Now let's continue solving this. So consider the numerical coefficients of the given polynomial. 1, negative 2, negative 29, and negative 42 divided by 7. So from here, we just bring down 1, which is the leading coefficient, multiplied by 7. So that's equal to 7, plus negative 2, so that's equal to 5. Times 7 is 35. Adding 35 and negative 29, so we have 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Adding 42 and negative 42 is 0. So as you can see, the remainder is 0. Now, how do we get the quotient? Again, since you are dividing x cubed by x, so therefore, the leading coefficient, as you can see here, is 1. And the term have an exponent of 2, x squared, the variable x rather. Okay, and then 5 here is the numerical coefficient of the variable x, and 6 here is the constant term. So therefore, the quotient of the p of x and d of x is simply x squared plus 5x plus 6. So take note of that. Again, I would like to thank you for watching Doc GILMAC online tutorial. Stay safe everyone, and may God bless us all.